Hi guys, this is Crafty Cat. Welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new. We are here with another Dollarama unboxing. This is going to be really fast, and you saw me put this in my cart when I did my let's check out the craft aisle at the Dollarama video. I don't know when that was posted, but a while ago probably by now. So there's only one small thing, and you guys saw me put it in the cart. And it's not something that I would have normally bought. It's more for children, but look how cute that is. I had to get it because it's a little kitty sleeping on a fence with a little barn. It's a tiny, tiny paint by number set, and this was only $1.50. Now, if you like art and you have kids, I don't have kids, or if you have grandkids around and you don't want them using your nice supplies, how perfect would it be to buy some of these and have them on hand, and then they could work on their own stuff, like for $6+, right? And then they have something small to work on. And if you want to pay like $2, they had the double size ones. And if you want to go up to like, I think it was $3.75 or $4, they had a much bigger one. So for children still. And comes with all the paints. It comes with a little brush. Like, it's not going to be a good brush. Probably not good paints. But for a child, you know, to keep them busy while you're working on your art, how perfect is that? Or just to do something with a child. You could both do them and do them together. I used to love coloring with my nieces when they were little. Well, I only got to do that a few times because they lived so far away. But yeah, I think this is super, super cute. And it would be fast and it'll be easy because the spaces are big. There's no teeny tiny spaces. Like, it looks like the number 3 and the number 4 and the little nose. Those are the smallest spaces. Usually when you're doing a paint by number, the spaces are so tiny. I'm learning how to paint. I find it much easier to paint my own thing than it is to do paint by number. Like, this will be easy because it's big spots. But like a normal paint by number, if you've seen them, you know what I'm talking about. You need a magnifying glass to see the little tiny bits. I started one a long time ago and I never finished it because I just found it nicer to do my own stuff where I'm not trying to get in. You're still trying to get into tiny spots on your own, but it's not as intimidating because they're not telling you what color to use. You're using your own free will on what color to use. If you don't like it and you're using acrylic, it's so easy to paint it over. So yeah, I'm assuming these are acrylics. I'm not sure. It doesn't say. But yeah, I'm guessing these are acrylic. But so cute. It's about like the size of my hand. And this would be so nice for a child to do. I'm an adult. I'm going to be 6 years old. And to be honest, I'm even excited about this. I think it's adorable. So anyway, maybe we'll do this together. Let me know if you would like to see that. All right, guys. And also let me know if you've tried any of these from the Dollarama. And if you haven't and you're interested, check it out. I mean, even if you don't like the paint that comes with it, you can go to Michael's or Hobby Lobby or Walmart and you could buy a pretty decent brand of paint. I have the Mart paint that I got from Amazon, and I've noticed that Walmart sells it, and it's a really nice paint. I like it. So yeah, you don't have to use the paint that comes with it. You could use your own paint. And even at the dollar store, they have those bigger things of paint. They're not that bad, you know. They're pretty good. So I've used those before and I don't mind them at all. Like the hobby paints. So yeah, but for $1.50 you get all the paint you need, and if it's a decent paint, even if you have to go over it a couple times, it would work. And the other thing you could buy, I can't remember what it's called. There's this stuff that looks like white glue or white paint, but it's not. It's like clear, and you could paint it on your canvas and let it dry and then paint over it. You could see through it, right? And it makes the paint adhere better so that it's less see-through. It's more opaque after when you paint. So that's something to do too. I'm sorry I can't think of what it's called. If I think of it in editing, I'll write it down right here. Anyway, that's it, you guys. I hope you liked it. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that like button, hit the subscribe, hit the notification bell. All of those good things that help me as a channel, and it really does help me. I know you might think, well, how could hitting like help? But I don't know how. I don't know if it helps with algorithm. I'm not even sure what an algorithm is. I've heard other people talk about it, but apparently it does help. So if you don't mind, If you did like this, please hit that like button. And thank you so much for being here with me. And I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, thank you. I'm babbling. It's too late. I have to stop recording in the middle of the night. All right, guys, take care and stay safe. Bye for now.